What if karma? Someone is what is it again? Commenting that they can't hear any sound, but I tried it, and one of my new posted videos has no sound, so I deleted it and re-uploading it. So yeah, if there's other videos that does not have sound, just comment and I'm gonna put my Discord server down below if you want to chat with me, and if you want to chat for new what if ideas, and I will appreciate you being one of my subscribers. And yeah, if you want me to make a part 3 of what if Deku was a kitsune, and thank you for 100 views in the first episode of that. And if you want me to make a part 2 of what if female Deku had a healing quirk with a counterpart, and if, like I said, if you want me to make other videos, just join my Discord server. And thank you for listening, and bye-bye.